Hello students and parents. In this video lesson, I will be going over our math lesson from earlier today. So let's go ahead and get started. So for our math assignment, we were looking more into subtraction and starting to use subtraction sentences. So I already have the date up on the top of my page in my math notebook or math journal, and we are just going to try out a couple subtraction problems to continue with our journey into subtraction. So first things first, I'm going to leave some space up here. I'm going to make a little box up here like a square, and then I'm going to make a rectangle underneath. It's a little small. And then underneath that, I'm going to make my subtraction sentence. Now in subtraction sentence, we have a minus sign that is for subtraction. Okay, it means difference. This is we're going to find the difference between two numbers. Okay, so for this one, what we did was we were given a number at the top, so let's do 10. Okay, and then we were given a certain amount as a part. So I'm going to go ahead and do 5 dots. So for our first one, we were trying to figure out what was the missing part here. So we know that 10 is what we start off with. That's our big number. We always put our biggest number at the beginning. Then we have a part that they give us, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we want to figure out, okay, 10 minus 5 equals what? So we go ahead and get our fingers out. I call them spicy fingers or hot fingers. Toasty fingers, because we rub our hands together, make them nice and warm, and then we get them ready to do some math. So we get our fingers out and we show 10, and then okay, we need to take away 5 fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many fingers am I left with? Okay, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm left with 5 fingers. So that means that the missing part must be 5. So then I'm going to go ahead and draw 5 more dots. Okay, and so then if I count all these dots together, I should get 10. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10, 10. So then 5 is equal to 5. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one. Small box on top, big box on the bottom, split it in half. Subtraction sentence, and then we're actually just going to do 3 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the last 2. Okay, so for the second one, let's go ahead and we're going to use a different number. Let's use 8. Okay, we have 8. So that means we're going to put 8 at the beginning of our subtraction sentence. Then we're going to take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to take away 6 dots. Okay, now we need to figure out what the missing part is. So with our fingers, we're going to show nice and toasty, get them warm, nice and hot. We're going to show 8. Okay, so I have my 8 fingers here. Now I'm going to take away 6, because that's how many dots we have, because we need to find this missing part. So let's take away 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many fingers do I have left? 1, 2. So I need to draw 2 dots here and write a number 2 there. So now if we count all of our dots, we should be able to find, we should get the same number that is on the top and at the beginning of our subtraction sentence. So let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, we got the same number. So this is the same number and this is the same number as well. So that means that that is right. So now let's go to our last one. Let's do yellow. Okay, for the last one, we're going to do the number 9. Okay, we're doing 9, and that means we're going to put a 9 down here. And then for the dots, let's go ahead and put, okay, there's 4 dots there. So then what you're going to need to do, boys and girls, is you're going to have to figure out, okay, how many dots are missing? what am I going to put here in the middle? What are we subtracting? And then what are differences? And then check it. And that is going to conclude our math assignment for today. If you have any questions, please, please, please feel free to let me know. I'm always here to help. And that is all. See you next time.